Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a nautical star. Let us first enable the snapping, and we need to snap to the center of an object active, so this icon down here. And we can basically use two methods for the basic shape. Be careful with this tool, so the Polygon star tool, when you've got the randomization not set to 0, this happens. So don't get confused, it's because of this number right here. For example, delete this, the last used right here, the last used parameters are stored, so set the randomization to 0. And you might also get confused with the spoke ratio right here. First hold Control when you drag it, and then rotate it so that one of the corners is on top. And we need our guide, so press Ctrl R to see the rulers, and you can drag them out of there. Drag a horizontal line, it should snap. And then you've got this point right here, and it affects the spoke ratio, and it should also snap to the line, and then drag it left to right until both sides are in the horizontal line of the guide. And you can see it's around 0.383 for the spoke ratio. So you can also just type in the number, but you could also use the Polygon Tool, 5 corners, rotate it like this. Let me just copy a star, and that shows you how you can use the Polygon Tool. I disable the snapping for now. You can see this is the star within the polygon, so you could just use the Bezier tool and go from one of the corners to the next, just like this. And it would also give you this, let's say, perfect star, or at least the perfect star for our project here. So both ways are fine. I'm just going to use the black one right here. And now we need to find the center of the object. Let me just drag another guide up here, and it should snap as well. And now we can see it. And we can use the Bezier tool to go from this point upwards, then to the corner, and then go back. So it creates these triangles. Make sure to close these shapes, give it a fill, in this case I use just black, and then hold Shift and click on the X to get rid of the stroke. When you're done dragging these triangles, you can group them, so hold Shift and click on all of them, and then press Ctrl G. And now you can adjust the fill color for all of them at once. Just find a color combination that you like, and then you're basically done. And this is how you can create these nautical stars in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.